All right, guys. So you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, you are welcome. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to zoom in on your screen. So if you're someone that do like a lot of screen recording tutorials and all, so this will be helpful. I just found it out. There are a lot of softwares. I was actually looking for a solution myself. Then I found this that I thought to share. So this is going to be how to zoom in and follow your mouse on your PC. So there are a lot of softwares, but the best I found is called Zoomit. So if you want to download it, you just need to download it and install it. So I'm just going to show you, walk you through the process of the download and installation. So the first thing you do is to go to your Chrome and type in Zoomit. Yeah, Zoomit. So you just pick the first one, Zoomit Microsoft. So you ensure you're on Microsoft page, the URL I mean. So this is what we're looking for. The page looks something like this. Okay, so we can actually zoom down or scroll down to see all the features or everything that you can do with this tool. This is a very powerful tool. I just discovered that you can even record the screen. You can record your screen using this particular tool, not just to zoom. So what we're going to do here is to download it. We'll download. So we just downloaded it. So I'll go to the download folder. If you're on Microsoft, if you're on Windows PC, it's gonna be in your download, I think, or anywhere. So I'm going to locate this file now. So what we want to do now is to install it, but the installation now is kind of tricky. You don't just install anywhere because it will come in the zip format like this. So what we're going to do, just follow the process. I'm going to cut it from here. Now, this is in my downloads. So I'll cut it. Okay, let me just right click. Yep, I'll cut. Now I'll go to my disk drive. Then I'll go to program 86. Now, what we want to do here is to create a folder. You create a folder. And we'll just name it Zoomit. Then, of course, we paste what we copied. We paste our zipped file here. So it's from here that we can now extract it. Extract here. So extract here. Of course, you have to give access to this. Then, of course, this is when you can now run the application. So when you run the application, which is what I will do now. Okay, so this is done. It's as easy as that, though. So when you run that, you see something like this. So this is version 10. I believe there are a lot of other versions before this particular one. Now, if you come down here, if you come below your screen, yeah, yes, you see that it should be here. So you can see it here now. Zoomit. So we now have Zoomit. Now, these are just the features. You see, to zoom is Control 1. So Control 1 on the keyboard. So I'm going to just click OK. So I'll come back here and click it. So now you can see zoom. There are a lot of functions here actually, because you can break timer, you can draw, you can zoom, then you can record the screen. So it's interesting actually. So let's just click on zoom since this is the purpose. So you see. So how do you stop it? You can either press your escape or you press Control 1 again. So if I do let's say for example, now I go here, back to this page, and I want to zoom, I'll just control 1, you see? So control 1. If I want, maybe I'm explaining something on this particular page and I need to zoom it in, I can control 1, it will zoom for me, show my screen, control 1 to go back. So it has a lot of function. Like I said, I'll just show you the other things. I understand the main purpose of this video is just to show you how to zoom. But this awesome tool can actually still record. You see, it can record your screen for you. I just click on record now. So I'm actually recording my screen now. I can go to maybe this particular page, just scroll or do something, you know. So this is actually recording my screen. It's recording on the record. That's interesting. So if I go back there and stop it, now the video that was recorded will be saved. I can actually save this video. So let's call it zoom it testing. Zoom it test. I'll save it.